Hi guys, welcome to BPrep where we whiteboard quant questions appeared in previous year papers. Before we start with the question, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel to get updates on latest videos if you are preparing for any of the competitive exams. Let's start. A wooden box open at the top of thickness 0.5 centimeter, length 21 centimeter, width 11 and height is painted on the inside. We have a wooden box. Let's draw the box. So let's say the box is like this, okay, which is open from the top, and thickness is 0.5 centimeter. So what does this mean? Thickness means the wood that is used to make this box is of 0.5 centimeter thick. So in that case, because this is open from the top, the box would look like something like this, okay, and this is the wood, okay, of 0.5 centimeter thickness, and this box is open from the top, okay. The dimensions are given as length is 21 and width is 11 and height is 6 centimeters, okay, and this box is painted on the inside. So inside wall is painted. The expense of painting area the expense of printing is rupees 70. What is the rate of printing per square centimeters? Okay, so if we are painting the box from inside, then see, the inner area will be, because the thickness is 0.5 centimeter, this face that we see from the outside, from inside it will be 0.5 centimeter reduced from the corner, and for this side as well there will be 0.5 centimeter of reduction, because this face is occupying that much width from inside, okay, and these dimensions are given from outside. Similarly, the bottom sheet, the sheet of wood that is used at the bottom, is also of height 0.5 centimeter. So if you see the front face, the height was earlier 6, but now the new height is 5.5. Why? Because the box is open from the top, and at the bottom the sheet which is used is of 0.5 centimeter height. So from 6 we have reduced 0.5. And similarly, the length of this box is 21 centimeter from outside, and both the faces on both the sides is occupying 0.5 centimeter. So now the inner length of this side would be 20. So 0.5 from this side and 0.5 from this side we have reduced. Similarly, for this face, if you see this box from inside, again 0.5 centimeter from both the sides and 0.5 centimeter from the bottom. So the effective width of this box now is 10 centimeter, because 0.5 centimeter we have to exclude from both the sides. And the effective height is just 5.5. We are not reducing from both the sides because the box is open from the top. There is no top layer. Okay. So now, first we need to calculate the total inner area in which the painting is done. So let's see the first face. So from this front face, now the length of this front face is 20. So total area would be 20 and height is 5.5. Okay, so this is the area of this face, the front face from inside. Okay, the outside area will be 21 into 6 and the inside area is 20 into 5.5. And now this face and this face, right, this face from which is behind this box will be same. So we will be multiplying this by 2, because this and this area will be same. Similarly, this area and this face area will be same. So we can draw this if you want. So this face and this face is same, and area of this face and this face will be same. So area of this face will be 10 into 5.5, and for two surfaces we'll multiply this by 2. Okay, so we have calculated the area of all the 4 faces. Now the area of bottom sheet. So if you imagine this every 4 sides of the box is occupying 0.5. Okay, so the area of the bottom which is being painted will be just 20 into 10. Okay, so total area of this box from inside is 220 plus 110 plus 200. This is 530 cm square. So the rate of painting per square centimeter would be total rate, total amount by area. Total amount is 70 rupees and area is 530. So 7 by 53 we need to calculate. So we can just divide it. 53 7.01 53 is 1700 and 3 times it will go. So roughly it's coming around 0.103, and in the options we see the closest match is 0.10, which is the right answer. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts or questions, please post in comments, and guys, please do subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button below to get updates on latest videos. Thank you.